If you're using PandaDoc and wondering how to add legally binding signatures in 2025, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can get it done in just a few minutes. So in this video, we're going to go over how to add a digital signature to a natively built template in PandaDoc and also a PDF standard template, so uploaded file template. So starting with the standard template, we're basically going to have a look. This is a standard template. Everything's editable in here, and you can see I've already put this together. So I'm just going to jump down to the signature section, down further here, and you can see that the signature doesn't exist here currently. So what we want to do is quite simply go over to the right-hand side here and grab the signature block. It's automatically assigned to the client because the roles have been set on the template level, but if you haven't got those roles set, you can actually add them after the fact as well. So don't stress too much about that. Basically grab the signature field, drag it across, and then it'll automatically assign to the client, but you can also change it if you hadn't had those roles set. Typically when adding a signature, you also add a date field. Something to note here is that you can add the date field in like this, automatically assigns. You can go into the properties tab and amend the date format and everything, but most importantly you can autofill the dates now with the signing date. So the client's not necessarily needing to select this, they're basically signing and the date field's automatically filling in. It's just a little less friction for the client and a better experience. So that's how you do that on the template level, and basically this is ready to go now. This template is configured and ready to send. You can use the template here, you can use it in your standard account in here. So I'm just going to jump into another proposal, the same setup here. This is the static PDF version. So if you had uploaded a proposal template that you would typically use, or a contract that you've built outside of PandaDoc and then put into PandaDoc, or you're on you might be on one of the base tiers with PandaDoc or the eSign functionality only. So you might want to upload your proposal in here and then add a signature over the top of it, so the client can digitally sign it. So you can see it shows that it's uploaded. It's the exact same template as we were using a moment ago. So what we're going to do is basically follow the exact same process. We're going in here and we're adding the signature like this, and we're also adding the date field in this instance like this. So they get automatically assigned, same thing, auto setting as the signing date. And that is that. Now it's ready to send. You can go ahead and use this template. You could have created this as a document as well, especially if it is specific to that client, and you've already done it within or created it within another system. Yeah, that's basically how you would go about that. So I hope this helped. If you've got any questions, just drop it in the comments below, and yeah, hope to see you soon. Thanks.